Chris. You know, I think a lot of people were certainly not ready for the holiday weekend to end. Sometimes it just doesn't seem long enough.
Yeah, so if you're feeling like you need a vacation and want to plan a trip, our smart shopper Chelsea Davis has some special tips for you.
Do you have an idea of where you want to travel? We've heard of those big name sites like Expedia, Kayak, Google Flights, and so many more. But when it comes to bargain flights, you should check out Skyscanner, Adioso, and Valeris. These three sites tout some of the cheapest prices and biggest savings to unique destinations. Your best bet is to compare prices and get creative with your searches. Try booking 2 one-way flights and be sure to watch for flash sales, but be careful with the verbiage. Notice how this expired flash sale says starting at. That means you'll either be limited with restrictions like certain dates to fly, or there just might not be as many flights at that rate. Thrillist has some other tips like, if you want to work while you're away, check out sites like HelpX, Workaway, Woof. You work in exchange for lodging and food, or sites like House Carers and Mind My House. Those allow you to house sit to basically stay for free for a low annual membership rate. For all the links to these sustainable options to save, go to abc15.com/smartshopper. One of those annual rates was actually $20, so you're paying that to basically travel the world and house sit. It's a good deal, right? You can also set up alerts on some of the sites, so that way when you travel and those deals pop up, you're not going to miss them. Nick, we're going to have these online for you.
All right, Chelsea, love every one of these options.